Who doesn't love mac and cheese? And what is better than a gluten-free mac and cheese? I'm telling you, this mac and cheese we're about to make is as good or better than any mac and cheese you've ever had. And it's 100% gluten-free. Enjoy. This recipe calls for 2 cups of smoked gouda, 1 cup of sharp white cheddar, 1 cup of brie with the rind removed, 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of gluten-free flour, 1 stick of butter, a dash of salt, a cup of gluten-free breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 pound of gluten-free noodles. We're gonna throw that in some salted water that's been left to boil. So we got 8 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. Throw those noodles into the hot water. We're gonna cook those bad boys for about 6 minutes. Once they've cooked for 6 minutes, we want them to be al dente. We're gonna drain them. I forgot to film the butter and flour cooking, so we're gonna skip right over that and add the 2 cups of milk. Whisk until the lumps get dissolved. We're gonna add a little dash of salt. Stir again. Next, we're putting in some dry mustard. I think we did 1 whole teaspoon of dry mustard and a bit of pepper. Add your 4 cups of cheese. We're gonna stir it until the cheese is melted and it comes combined. Oil up your pan really good so nothing sticks when it's time to take it out of the pan. Put your drained noodles in there and then pour that cheese mixture all over the top of it. After you get all the cheese in, we're gonna stir it around in the pan a little bit just to make sure the cheese gets into all the nooks and crannies and mix it up. Now we're gonna throw more cheese on top. It's mac and cheese. It's supposed to be cheesy. And then we're gonna mix the breadcrumbs with a dash of salt and a little bit of paprika. And we're gonna be real generous throwing those on there. We want it to get nice and crispy on the top. I am putting it in my preheated smoker. It's 250 degrees with some fresh apple chips in the smoking tray. And we're gonna pop it in the middle of the smoker and cook it uncovered for 2 hours. Cannot emphasize how good this mac and cheese turned out. We've got more holiday dishes coming your way, so follow along. Eat well, be well.